Hi, this is Vara from Scrappy Maniac, and today in this episode of What's in My Stash is this little gadget that I got for 2 Christmas ago from my husband. I wanted to get this, and even though I got it, I never played with it. The reason that I wanted to get this because there is a program called, let's see, Masterpiece. So you download this different software. Some of the software you're going to need pieces to go along with it, and some of the software you don't. So you download, and it's not a software, it's an app. You go on the Apple App Store and you download this game called Masterpiece, and what it does, it allows you to draw anything, any image on your iPad, you can draw it on a piece of paper. So I want to show you how that works. But this was in my stash a long time ago. I haven't even brought it out, so I wanted to use it. So let me show you what you get with this kit. Now there's different type of kit, and I only got the starter kit that comes with 2 games. So it comes with the Word, and you just download the app for this particular game, and then you use it. And it comes with Tangram. And this one is, you have a shape, like in the program itself, you'll have a shape, and then you try to reproduce that shape. And it's really fun because my husband and I bought this game a long time ago, not from the software one, but we did buy just the pieces like this. And it came with some cards, and you would get that card and you had to figure out how to put it together, and it was fun. So I got that. And then you get the base. So I only got 2 games with the starter kit, and then I got a base, and on the base you get, this is the mirror that is used to look at what you have, and then this is the base. So you're going to need an iPad mini. You can use iPad 2. It's compatible. Let's see what it's compatible with. iPad Air and Air 2, iPad mini, iPad generation 3 and 4, and iPad 2. This is a 2, I believe. I'm not even sure, but it's compatible with this one. As long as you have those, you're going to be fine. So the first thing you want to do is, and it's pretty dirty, so let me switch camera and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to put your iPad onto the base, like so. Let's see if I can bring you down. See, it fits nicely on the base. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to take this piece, which is your mirror, and you want to position this. I think it goes like this. Yes. So now that you have it all set up, you're going to go ahead and download the app. I already downloaded the app from the App Store, and then you're going to click on Masterpiece because that's the program that I want. And then in the gallery, you'll see all these images on here. You can take a picture and add it to the gallery. You can just use whatever it's there. Now there's one that I like. It's under nature, and is this flower. So I want to create that flower. Okay, so it's going to put it on the screen. So now I'm going to get to the next camera, and I'm going to show you how it works from there. So now that I have it on my screen, you can see it's on my screen, or you're really not going to be able to see it that well. But once I have it on the screen, then I can bring over my mixed media journal. So I don't think you can see it that well, but it's on the screen right there. So let me go ahead and bring my mixed media journal. So I'm going to bring you back and bring over my mixed media journal. And look at the screen right over there and see how it reflects on the screen. So see how you can see the flower reflecting onto my journal. So then I can go ahead and start drawing. So let's see. So I can start drawing my flower. And it gets a little getting used to how it projects. And I already prepped this with gesso. And it really helps when you're trying to learn how to draw. In my opinion, it really helps you kind of get that how to make flowers, because you're training your muscles in how to draw. And this helps with that. Now I should have picked a pencil. So let's go ahead and get a pencil, because that one's not working very well. So I'm going to grab a pencil. So let's go ahead and use this pencil. You can really see it. And then, so we'll see how close my image is compared to the flower. And I can see like getting magazine pictures of ladies on magazine and learning how to create the eyes, and using this to train me in how to draw my shapes. I can see how I can also use this to create big images on canvas. I think I moved it. So you got to try not to move whatever you're drawing. Even though this tool is designed for children to teach them how to draw, I really like it, and it was worth the investment, because after I finished this drawing, I was very happy how that flower came out. I can see also drawing the flower on a piece of paper, and then you can blow it up if you want and put it on a big canvas. But I really like this tool. So this is the final image, and I hope you like this video, and stay tuned for my second video where I show you how I color it with watercolors. Thank you for watching. Bye now.